I get to have some time to create some content. So in this short video, I am going to show you how to extract the unique values from a list of delimited values. If that sounds like a blah blah, I just want to explain. I've got a list of licenses that are issued to employees across the organization. So here, in this row 2, I have an employee who is having planner and project plan 3 plus Microsoft 365 Copilot plus Dynamics 365 and so on. And all these licenses are delimited with the plus symbol. So all I want to make sure that I'm collecting all the unique values that are listed in this range. So now I'm going to click here to my sheet 1. I'm going to show you, here is my spill functions which actually spill that unique values here. To establish this list, I have used a 5 different spill functions that are available for Microsoft 365 users. So this is the web version. I'm using my Mac for this recording purposes. I will be using a Windows machine later in my videos, but for today it's Mac. So here, what I am going to do is I'm going to start explaining how I was able to establish this formula to extract those unique values. So here is my formula, equals TEXTJOIN. So by using the TEXTJOIN function, you are passing just 3 parameters in this. So what is my delimiter? My delimiter, we know that it's a plus icon, and I can ignore the empty cells, so I don't need to carry them. So I can select true for that. And the last thing is the text string that has to be joined. So in this case, it's our entire list. So I'm going to go Control Shift down arrow if you're using Windows, but if you're using Mac, Command Shift down arrow, and that's going to, so that's all the parameters that it requires. So I'm going to close that. And when I do that, it's going to show me this calculation error. I'm assuming that this is because the length the number of characters that returned is greater than the limitations of Excel. So that's why it's showing this error. To avoid this, what I can do is I can use unique function around my range. So I'm going to go unique, and all unique requires is just one parameter, a required parameter, which is your array. So I'm going to go close that. And now, as you can see, it actually combined all of those things into a single string. Now our plan is to separate them by the plus icon. So now I'm going to use text split, and text split requires a text that needs splitting and the delimiter, and that's all the required fields for it. So now that you know that it's actually split this, as you can see, it's a spill function, so it spilled it across. So now I'm going to use TOCOL to bring it to a single column. So TOCOL again requires just one argument. So I am going to use that. So now here we have all those values listed into a single column. Now what I can do is I can just simply use unique function again and close that off. And now I can see that my 20 odd, or actually 19 different licenses that have been issued across to many employees. So now if I wanted to sort it, I can use the sort function to sort it. If you want to sort it ascending order or descending order, you can do that. In this particular case, I think by default, it's in the ascending order. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to do that. So I'm not passing any other parameters other than passing that array. So that's about it, guys, for this video. And if you have any questions, I know there may be a better way to do this. If you know a better way, please leave that in the comments. And also, I think you can use Power Query and whatnot. But in this particular case, I don't have Power Query in the Mac world, and also it's not available for the web users. So that's about it, guys. And please like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching.